Brief about Python program is designed to generate graph for project management professional, PMP, dataset and ISO 21001 in education, build a deep neural network, DNN, model to predict project costs based on input features like planned time, actual time, and resource costs, and visualize the results through various graphs. The dataset is created using random values for 100 samples and 6 features. The target output, total cost, is generated as a weighted sum of some features, with added noise. The dataset is split into training and testing sets, and the input features are standardized using standard scalar to improve model performance. A DNN model is then built with 2 hidden layers and an output layer that predicts the total cost using a linear activation function. The model is trained using the atom optimizer and mean squared error, MSE, loss function, followed by evaluation and prediction on test and unseen data. The program also generates synthetic project task data, including planned and actual finish dates, and visualizes the results in a set of interactive graphs using Plotly. The first graph compares actual versus predicted project costs, the second visualizes the predictions for new unseen data, and the third graph displays the planned and actual finish dates for project tasks. All graphs are presented together in a single layout with grouped bar charts for easy comparison. The layout includes a title, customized colors, and an interactive legend. The final output helps in understanding the model's accuracy, the predicted costs for new data, and task completion forecasting in a project management context. Title: DNN Network Architecture, Model by Pradeep K. Suri. Content: the image visually represents a deep neural network, DNN, architecture. DNNs are a type of artificial neural network with multiple layers of interconnected nodes, or neurons, that learn complex patterns in data. Key elements. For input layer, this is the starting point where the network receives input data. In this image, it is represented by the nodes on the left. 5 hidden layers, these are the intermediate layers between the input and output layers. They process the input data and extract features, which are then passed on to the next layer. The image shows multiple hidden layers, each with a decreasing number of nodes. 6 output layer, this is the final layer that produces the network's output or prediction. Here, it's represented by the single node on the right. Connections. The lines connecting the nodes represent the connections between neurons. Each connection has a weight associated with it, which determines the strength of the connection. During training, the network adjusts these weights to improve its accuracy. Overall structure. The image depicts a feed-forward neural network, where information flows from the input layer to the output layer in a single direction. Possible interpretation. This DNN architecture could be used for various tasks, such as image classification, natural language processing, or regression analysis. The number of layers and nodes in each layer would depend on the specific problem and the complexity of the data. Additional notes. The text on the nodes indicates the layer and node number. The color scheme might represent different types of connections or activation functions. This program visualizes key aspects of an educational project using a combination of bar and line charts created with Plotly. It represents data from 5 distinct project phases: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closure. 3 data points are visualized: budget allocation, in thousands, resource allocation, as a percentage, and learner satisfaction, as a percentage. The program first sets up bar charts for both the budget allocation and resource allocation in different colors, followed by a line plot for learner satisfaction. The line chart is designed with markers to highlight each phase, while the bars are grouped together for easy comparison across the phases. The plot's layout is customized with a dark background to make the graph visually striking, and white text is used for labels, titles, and ticks to ensure clarity against the dark theme. The bar mode equals group option groups the bars together, allowing for better side-by-side comparison. The hover mode equals closest option ensures that users can easily see the specific values when hovering over any part of the plot. This visualization provides an effective way to monitor project progress, from budgeting and resource allocation to tracking learner satisfaction, especially in the context of educational projects following a PMP and ISO 21001 combined approach. Title: PMP plus ISO 21001 combined approach, Educational Projects Schedule Model by Pradeep Suri. Content: the image to be a visual representation of a project schedule model specifically designed for educational projects. It integrates elements of both the Project Management Professional (PMP) methodology and ISO 21001 standards, which are frameworks for managing educational processes and services. Key elements: 1. Project phases. The vertical axis displays the different phases of an educational project: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closure. 2. Timeline. The horizontal axis represents a timeline, spanning from the year 1970 to 2040. 3. Data points. The colored dots along the timeline likely indicate specific events, milestones, or resource allocation points within each project phase. The legend on the right provides a key to interpret the colors. 4. Resource allocation. This line graph shows the percentage of resources allocated throughout the project's timeline. It to fluctuate, indicating changes in resource allocation during different phases. 5. Learner satisfaction. This line graph illustrates the level of learner satisfaction over time. It shows an upward trend, suggesting that learner satisfaction generally increases as the project progresses. Possible interpretation: this model could be used to plan, monitor, and evaluate educational projects. By visualizing the project timeline, resource allocation, and learner satisfaction, project managers can identify potential issues, make adjustments, and ensure the project's success. Additional notes: the specific data points and their meanings would need further context to fully understand. The model could be customized to fit the specific needs and requirements of different educational projects. Thank you.